Alright guys, we're out here in El Segundo taking a look at this new Topgolf that's almost complete. It's been going on for a while. I wasn't quite sure what it was for a while. You see all these really tall posts and stuff before they ever put the netting up. I figured it was some kind of development for Raytheon, which is nearby. But no, it's the driving range netting. So we'll take a look here at the development of this Topgolf. And it's a place where you can have drinks and food, and they've got these different tiers of you know, where you're driving the ball. It's like a driving range. Bring your clubs, your irons, and you know, blast away. Try to hit 300 or 400 yards, different targets and things. But this is on PCH 398 South Pacific Coast Highway. It's kind of off of El Segundo Boulevard. Just a few miles south of LAX. So if you want to come here after your flight, you can get something to eat and maybe hit some balls. And they have a now hiring banner as well. Topgolf.com/careers. That netting extends pretty deep. I'm gonna guess probably close to 400 yards. So go ahead and comment down below if you've been to a Topgolf before. I don't know how many are in California or LA. I've never really noticed any, but this one really got my attention. It's like some other little patio area.